Good evening students. Today we will discuss about the topic of 8th standard chapter number 13 inequations. Student, in this chapter we will learn inequations, properties of inequations and graphical representation of an inequation. So now we start. What is inequations? Inequations is a mathematical statement in which two sides are not equal. A mathematical statement in which two sides are not equal. For example, if we take a form of ax plus b greater than c. This is a mathematical statement in which two sides are not equal. Then this is a inequations where x is a variable. Student, what is inequality means not equal. If there are four signs, this is greater than, less than, greater than and equal to, and less than and equal to. If any statement contains any one of the sign, then this is an inequation. This is an inequations. And what is linear inequation? What is linear inequation? Linear, student, we know about linear equation. Linear equation of this type, ax plus b equal to c. If two sides are equal, then this is equation, and if two sides are not equal, then this is inequations. Linear means where highest power of a variable is only one, then this is linear. So we are talking about a linear inequation. Linear means where highest power of variable is 1, then this is linear. And inequations, two sides are not equal, then this is an inequation. This is our general form, ax plus b greater than c, ax plus b less than c, ax plus b greater than and equal to c, ax plus b less than equal to c. These are the four general type of linear inequations. Okay student. Again, there is a replacement set or universal set. Replacement set or a universal set. What is replacement set or universal set? Student, we take the value of variable so that satisfy the complete condition. From replacement set, universal set, a set from which the value of variable we choose, then this is a replacement set or a universal set. Again, a solution set. Solution set. What is solution set? A set of element of the replacement set that satisfy the given condition is the solution set. For example, student, if we take inequations of this type, 2x plus 1 greater than 4, and we take a set of whole number, that means x belong to w means whole number, then first we solve 2x greater than 4 minus 1, 2x greater than 3 and x greater than 3 by 2. Student, all the element we satisfy the given condition, and from this set, then this is the replacement set. This is the replacement set, and all value satisfy this, that means x greater than 3 by 2 and x belong to whole. All the whole numbers satisfy this condition. This equal to 1.5. Then all whole number greater than 1.5 means 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These all are solution set. This complete is a solution set, and from which we take this value, this is a replacement set. Okay student. Next we take a next question from the exercise. Student, we have a question from exercise 13.1. If we solve this question, then our all doubts are clear. given replace, this is question number first, given replacement set is in this, here replacement set is this, write the solution set. We write the solution set of x less than equal to 6. This is an inequation, x less than equal to 6, and represent on number line. Again, first we find the solution set, after that we represent this solution set on a number line. So student, first we write a replacement set, our replacement set is 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These all are element of this set. Again, an equation of this type, we have an equation of this type, we find the solution set. This is simple form, this is a very simple form of an equation. Student, we find all value of x satisfy this condition and all value of x from this set. All value of x less than or equal to 6 from this solution set. From this replacement set, student, if we take 1, then 1 is less than 6, it is satisfied. If we take 3, then 3 also less than 6, 4 also less than 6, 5 and 6 also equal to 6. Student, if we take 7, x equal to 7, but 7 not less than equal to 6, not less than 6. So our solution set, we write solution set, our solution set, there is only element 1 because the condition satisfy 1, again 3 also less than 6, 4 also less than 6, 5 also less than 6, and 6 equal to 6. Okay student, this is our solution set. Again, first we find the solution set, after that we represent it on number line. Number line, student, we know a number line, this is a number line, and we mark 0. Okay, from right side of the 0 there is positive, and from left side of the 0 there is a negative number. Our all numbers are positive numbers, so we take from right side of the 0. Student, we take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and our solution set number 1, then we take number 1 and dark this circle. Number 3, we take 3 and dark, again 4, again number 5, and number 6. There is only 6. 1 3 4 5 6. We take in this dark circle. Then this is the represent on number line. This is solution set, and this is the representation of the solution set on a number line. Okay student, I hope you understand. Then we take next question. Again, this is the question number 4, part number 1st and part number 4. Student, our exercise 13.1 is very easy. Okay, question number 4. First we solve these inequations, find out the solution set. After that we represent the solution set on number and line. First we find solution set. Student, x belongs to I means integer. I means set of an integer. We have a set of integer. This is replacement set. This is a replacement set, and we take the value of x from the integer. Then all are in a solution set. All value of x greater than and equal to -1 and less than and equal to 4 and belong to integer. Student, if we take -1, this is equal to -1 and less than 4. Condition number first is clear. Again, if we take 0, student, this shows that x greater than and equal to -1, then greater than -1, 0. Again we take 1, again 2, again 3, again 4. Student, -1 is equal to x and less than 4. 0 is greater than -1 and less than 4. 1 is greater than -1 and less than 4. 2 also greater than -1 and less than 4. 3 also, and 4 also greater than -1 and equal to 4. We don't take 5, 6 because these are greater than 4. Okay student, this is our solution set. This is solution answer. Okay, in solution set there are element -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we represent it on a number line. First we take a number line. This is a number line and we mark 0. Then from left side of the 0 negative number and right side of the 0 there are a positive number. Student, we take -1, -2, -3 and this right side of the 0 positive number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same distance, same unit and distance. Student, -1. This is -1. We take -1 and dark it. Again 0. We take 0 and dark it. 1. Again 2. Again 3. And again 4. These are the representation of solution set on a number line. Okay student. Then our next part number 4. X greater than -5 and less than 0 and x belong to integer. Set of integer is a replacement set. Replacement set. Then first we find out a solution set. First we find out a solution set. Student, we take all value of x satisfy this condition and from the set of an integer, these value are greater than -5 and less than 0. Then -4 is greater than -5 and less than 0. Stop. -4 greater than -5 less than 0. Again -3, -2, -1, then again 0. If we take 0, but student, we don't take 0 because there is no equal sign of 0. This show only less than 0. Then we don't take 0 in this solution set. Okay student. Then there are total 4 elements in this solution set. -4 greater than -5 less than 0. -3 greater than 5 less than 0. -2 and -1. This is solution set. Then we represent this solution set on number line. This is our number line. We mark 0, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Same unit distance. These are positive number 1, 2, 3, 4. We take integer -4, -3, -2, -1. -1. Then this is a dark circle. Again -2. Again -3 and Okay student, this is the representation of solution and set. Next we discuss about the some properties of inequations for the exercise 13.2. Okay student, now we discuss about the properties of inequations. First is, if we add or subtract a positive number both sides, then the sign of inequality does not change. For example, if we have an inequation a greater than b, if we add a same positive number c both sides, if we add same positive number c both sides, then sign of inequality does not change, means same, greater than greater. Okay, same as it is, if we subtract a number c from both sides, then b minus c, then sign of inequality also does not change. For example, if we take our example, student, we know that 4 greater than 2. We know that 4 greater than 2. If we subtract 2 from both sides, 4 minus 2 and 2 minus 2, then 4 minus 2, 2 and 2 minus 2, so 2 minus 2, then 0. We know that 2 is greater than 0, so sign of inequality is same. 4 greater than 2, then 2 greater than 0. Sign of inequality does not change. Okay student? Property number second, this is first, again second. Property number second, if we multiply or divide same positive number both sides of an inequation, then sign of inequality does not change. For example, if we have a greater than b, an equation of this type, and a positive number c, this is a positive number c, if we multiply both sides, this number means a multiply c and b multiply c, then sign of inequality does not change. Same as it is. Same, if we divide a by c and b by c, then sign of inequality does not change, means same as it is. For example, we know that student 4 greater than 2. If we take a positive number 2, a positive number and 2, then we multiply 4 multiply 2 and 2 multiply 2. Student, 4 multiply 2, 8. 2 multiply 2, 4. 8 is greater than 4. So, sign is C. Okay? And if we divide 4 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2, this is 2 and this is 1. Student, 2 greater than 1. So, sign same. So, if we multiply or divide same positive number both sides of an equation, then sign does not change of inequality. Okay, student? Again, we discuss property number 3rd and 4th. Next property is, student, if we multiply or divide both sides same negative number, then sign of inequality change. For example, if we have a greater than b and a negative number c, if we multiply both sides, a multiply minus c and b multiply minus c, then sign of inequality change. This is greater than, but there is a less than. For example, if we have 3 greater than 2, we know that 3 greater than 2. If we take a negative number 2 minus 2, we take a negative number minus 2, we multiply both sides. 3 multiply minus 2 minus 6, 2 multiply minus 2 minus 4. Student, in this minus 4 is greater than, minus 4 is greater than from minus 6. So, sign of inequality changes. Okay? Same, if a greater than b and c is a negative number, if we divide a minus c and b minus c, then sign of inequality changes. For example, we have 4 greater than 2 and we take a negative number minus 2. 4 divided by minus 2 and 2 divided by minus 2. Student, 4 divided by minus 2, then minus 2 and this is minus 1. Which is greater? Minus 2 or minus 1? Student, minus 1 is greater. So, minus 2 less than minus 1. There is sign greater than, but there is a less than. So, if we divide negative number and multiply by negative number both sides, then sign of inequality changes. Okay, student? Next, we again same as it is. A rule also, if a greater than b, if we change sign both sides, these both are positive. If we take both are negative, minus a minus b, then sign of inequality change. Sign of inequality change. If a greater than minus b, if we change sign both sides, then minus a plus b, then greater than. Okay, student, if we change sign both sides, then sign of inequality change. Now we take some question from exercise 13.2. Question from exercise 13.2. Student, question number 2. Find solution set of the inequation x is a negative integer. X is a negative integer means this is the replacement and set x is negative integer. We find out the solution set of this inequation. Student, first we convert this inequation in simple form. We take an inequation to x minus 3 less than equal to 5x. We take in simple form. First we solve this bracket. 2x minus 2 multiply 3, 6 less than equal to 5x. Student, we take a term of x only one side, left side or right side, then no problem. Only one side we take a x term. Student, 2x as it is, we take this from this side, then minus 5x less than, and minus 6 on right side plus 6. Student, this is a simple, but a real of this is if we take 2x minus 6 less than equal to 5x, we take 5x on this side, then we remove 5x from this side, then we take a minus 5x plus 5x, sorry, minus 5x this side and minus 5x on this side. But this is complicated, you learn this about higher classes. So we take only simple form. 2x as it is, minus 5x on this side, minus 5x less than equal to minus, then this side plus. Student, term this to this side, then there is no change in inequality, because we take minus 6 from this side and 5x from this side. If we divide or multiply negative number, then we change the sign of inequality. 2x minus 5x, then minus 3x. 2x minus 5x minus 3x less than equal to 6. We take only x term, then we divided by minus 3 and both side divided by minus 3. We write dividing both side minus 3. Student, if we divide both side negative number, then sign of inequality change. If we divide both side negative number, then sign of inequality change. Okay, then minus 3 cancel, x greater than equal to, then minus 2. Okay student, x greater than equal to minus 2. We take only those number greater than and equal to minus 2, and x is a negative integer. Minus 2 greater than minus 2, an integer minus 1. Again we take also minus 2, because there is a negative minus 2 and there is a equal sign, so we take minus 2. Again greater than of this minus 1. Again if we take greater than of this 0, but 0 is a negative integer, not a negative integer, so we take only in solution set, we write solution set, there are only two elements, minus 2 and minus 1, because greater element of minus 2 all are positive, but we find only negative integer, then our solution set is minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, next question number 3rd, replacement set in which 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 these elements, and we have an equation of this form, we find out the solution set. First we make this in simple form. 7 minus x by 2 greater than 5x by 3 minus 6. Student, first we take LCM from both sides. We take LCM on this side only 2, then 14 minus x, same side we take LCM 3, 5x minus 8. Okay student, again we take cross multiply, 3 multiply from this number and 2 multiply from and this, then 3 multiply 14 minus x greater than sign as it is to 5x minus 8. Okay student, we solve this. Bracket 3 multiply 14, 42, 3 multiply minus x minus 3x, gray sign as it is, again 2 multiply 5x, then 10x, 2 multiply 18 minus 36. We take x term in one side, other term on other side, minus 3x as it is, 10x, then minus 10x, sign as it is, minus 36, then minus 42. Okay student, if we subtract or plus, then there is no change in inequality, then inequality same as it is. Minus 3 minus 10 minus 13x greater than minus 36 and minus 42. Then complete 6 to 8, 4, 3, 7, minus 78. Then student, this is negative, this is a negative. We divided both side minus 30. If we divide this side minus 30 and this side minus 30, dividing both side minus 30. Student, if we divide by negative number both side, then sign of inequality change. Then this is less than. Okay. Then 13x cancel. This is x less than equal to minus 2 minus cancel 13. 13 6 78. Then x less than 6. Only x less than 6. This is our simple form. Now we take this is our replacement set and this is our simple form of inequation. We take all x less than 6 from this replacement set. Number less than 6, 3 is less than 6, 4 also less than 6, 5 also less than 6, but we don't take 6 because 6 is equal to 6, but there is no equal sign. So our solution set is our solution set is there is element 3 4 5. Okay student, you learn only when we divide both side negative number, then sign of inequality changed, and if we multiply both side negative number, then sign of inequality also changed. Same as it is if we divide both side negative 13, then sign of inequality change, so less than 6. Okay student, next we take next question. Next question is question number 5. Solve these inequations. X belong to n, that means replacement set is the set of natural number. Student, first we solve this inequation in simple form. So first we take in simple form, we solve bracket 2 by 3 multiply 9x minus 2 by 3 multiply 15. Okay student, we solve only bracket plus 4 as it is, again less than and equal to same sign, then 6 plus 3 by 4 we solve bracket again 3 1 3 and 3 2 6 6x minus 3 1 ja 3 5 ja 5 2 10 plus 4 less than equal to 6 as it is, plus 4 to 4 cancel, then 3 minus 4 1 4 3 3 3 is 9x. Okay student, again 6x as it is, minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 less than equal to 6 plus 3 9 minus 9x. Okay student, again we take x term on one side, 6x as it is minus 9x, then plus 9x, plus 9x 6x plus 9x less than equal to 9 as it is, then minus plus 6. If we add or subtract, then sign of inequality does not change. 6 plus 9, then 15x less than equal to 9 plus 6 15. We take only coefficient of x is only 1, then we divide both side by 15 and write dividing both side by 15. If we divide positive number, then sign of inequality does not change, so sign of inequality same, x less than equal to 1. Our inequation in simple form, x less than equal to 1, and our solution set means replacement set x belong to natural number. We take all natural number satisfying this condition, all natural number less than and equal to 1. Less than means small by 1, less than and equal to 1, then we take 1, again less number from 1, 0, but 0 is not a natural number, so there is only one element. So in our solution set, there is only one element, 1. Okay, student, if in this question, if we represent the solution set graphically, that means same we represent it on a number line. This is 0, this is -1, this is +1, +2, +3. There is only one is this, then we represent this by this solution set graphically. Okay, student, this is exercise 13.2. Student, chapter number 13 is very easy, so with the help of this video you solve both the exercise in your maths notebook. And if you have any problem, student, then please send to me so that I can help you. Okay, student.